Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are doing HCF and LCM. And this is my very second video. Hope you enjoy. So when I was younger, for HCF and LCM, you'd list out all the factors for HCF. Okay. So let's do 12 and 50. So what I mean is, and you list out all the factors. So and then you just pick the highest common one. So in this case it's 3, because the two common ones are 1 and 3, and the bigger one is 3. Then LCM. So you list out a lot of multiples, and then you pick the smallest one. Here it's 60. So the LCM is 60. But what happens for bigger numbers? For bigger numbers, you need to know something. You need to figure out something known as prime factors. So take 100. What are the prime factors of that? So pick two factors when they are times together equal 100. So in this case, I've picked 25 and 4. Doesn't matter which ones you pick. You can choose 50, 2, 10 and 10. And if you're silly enough, 100 and 1. Because then you're still at 100 and 1 isn't. Yeah, don't pick 100 and 1. So, because it's just pretty much pointless. So anyway, you have to go lower until you reach the prime numbers, okay? So then 25 would then go lower into 5 and 5. So then 4, simple one, is 2 and 2. So then you can either put it in powers or you can list it out. List it out is just easier to read, understand, but when you put it in powers it's just much quicker to write. It's your choice really what you use. So how do you find the HCF and LCM? We figured out how to find prime factors, so let's do that first. We already know 100, so let's find 12. So for 12, you go to 4 and 3. So 3 is already a prime number, you can just leave that aside. 4, on the other hand, goes to 2 and 2. So then here, we've got it now. So I've listed out 100, I've listed out 12. Make sure to list them out before you actually write HCF and LCM. And make sure to draw this tree. It's actually called a cherry tree. I should have mentioned it earlier, but I'm mentioning it now. So anyway, so for the HCF, you just find all the common ones, all the common prime numbers. So in this case, the HCF is 2 times 2. And for the LCM, it's basically the HCF times all the prime numbers you missed off. So you missed off a 3, a 5, and another 5. So basically, you times those on. So 2 times 2 is the HCF. Then you times it by 3, times it by 5, times it by 5. And then you get those answers, and that's pretty much simple. It goes to simple multiplication. So the HCF is 4, the LCM is 300. So that's how you simply find HCF and LCM. In exams, I'm very certain, but could possibly be wrong, but I really think that you wouldn't get an LCM this high. So in case you're a little bit worried that you're going to have to do some high multiplication, you most likely won't. But I've just chosen it for this example. Because, well, why not? So yeah, let's do one practice question. I'll give you some time to solve it. So 24 and 75. HCF and LCM. And go. Okay, so I'm going to carry on now. You most likely wouldn't have finished, so pause the video right now. If you have finished, let's continue. So let's start with 24. I've gone into 6 and 4. You can go 8 and 3, it really does not matter. So then for 6 goes into 3 and 2. And for 2, it goes into 2 and 2. Now let's do 75. So I've chosen 25 and 3. You could have chosen 5 and 15. But it really does not matter. So anyways, and then 25 then goes into 5 and 5. So now I've listed it out here. 24 equaling 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. 75 equals 2 times 5 times 5. So yeah, that's pretty much. So now I've just listed it out. So then the HCF, because there's only one common prime number, which is 3. Simple as, you don't actually have to times it. Now comes the giant multiplication, which you're probably worried about. So we've got the HCF. So then we add all the prime numbers we don't have. 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Just add in the multiplications real quick. So yeah, now we solve it. So pretty much, how should we try this? So take 75. 75 is 3 times 5 times 5. Okay, so then we have to times that by 2, and then 2 again, and then 2 again. So 75 times 2 is 150, times 2 again is 300, times 2 again, and that gives you 600. So, as I said before, you probably will get much simpler multiplications, and most likely the HCF will actually have another number to times by. If you're lucky, you'll just get like one number. And so, it's as simple as that, really. These questions are likely 4 or 3 marks in the exam. So if you know how to do this, that's a quick, simple 4 marks, which is quite good. Knowing in exams you only have like 100 marks, so you've just scored 4%. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Like and smash that subscribe button. And if you want to see more videos as soon as I release, hit the notification bell so you know when I post a new video. So until next time, bye!